Hi, in this tutorial, we will learn how to auto-post multi-page posts to WordPress. Here is an example multi-page post that we will try to import. This post has 5 pages of content. The next button opens the next page of content. Under WordPress Automatic Plugin, click New Campaign. Select Multi-Page Scraper as the campaign type. Click this option to post from a specific post. Copy and paste the post link. For the content extraction method, we will try to use CSS class/ID. Let's return to the original post to find the class. Right-click on the content and click Inspect. Here is the division that contains the content. It has a class set. Let's copy the class name. Set the method to be by class. Select class, paste the class name, hit the Publish button. Now the campaign is published and is ready for processing. Click Run Now. The plugin imported the post. The plugin imported the first page, and the images are not loading. Original post has images. The source site does not allow other sites to display images directly from its servers. To solve this, we will set the plugin to download the images to our server. Hit the Update button. Now let's delete the already imported post to start over and post it again. A new post got added successfully. Images now display correctly. This is the end of the first page from the source. Now let's enable multi-paging to get the other pages of the post. Delete the latest post to start over. Hit the Update button. Run the campaign again. Now the plugin has imported all the pages. Let's verify. Here is the latest image. Here is the same image at the end of the last page. Thank you for watching. The plugin link is in the description.